So lazy eye or amblyopia is when vision does not develop properly in one or both the eyes during childhood. So an eye structure may be completely normal, but a child cannot see clearly even when they wear the correct glasses. The most common cause for lazy eye include having a high glass number in one or both the eyes, having a squint in one eye, or having any condition of the eye which prevents the eye from having a normal visual experience, or for light to pass normally through the eye, which causes the eye to become lazy. As such, children cannot complain about lazy eye or vision being less in one eye. Therefore, it is essential that they have an eye exam while they are still young and the condition can be treated. So, children need a regular eye examination by the time they are 3 or 4 years of age to detect a lazy eye or amblyopia. Children who are at higher risk may need an examination even earlier or in infancy. High risk children are those who have a family history of eye problems. They may have a history of cataract in childhood in their family. Low birth weight children, children who are born prematurely, those who have developmental delay, and those who have difficulties in hearing and speech are other high risk children who need an early screening even in infancy. Normally, children cannot complain that they have a visual problem because they do not know what is normal and what is abnormal. But as such, some signs that indicate that they may be having a vision issue are if children go very close to the TV or they move to the front of the classroom. Also, when they keep rubbing their eyes or seem to have discomfort in the eyes, they may develop a squint. They may develop shaking of the eyes, and they may have abnormal sensitivity to sunlight as well. These are some signs that the child needs an eye checkup. The eye or amblyopia usually affects one eye, which means the vision is low in one eye and it is normal in the other eye. The child cannot complain by themselves because with both the eyes open, they are able to see well. As such, it is essential that a child has a routine eye exam by 3-4 years of age so that the condition can be diagnosed and treated in adequate time. The treatment of lazy eye consists of clearing the vision in the affected eye by either surgery or giving glasses. This is followed by patching therapy, where the good eye of the patient is covered by an eye patch and the child is forced to use the affected eye. They are also advised to do vision related activities with the affected eye while patching, which means they can read, they can write, they can do drawing and coloring, as well as play some highly detailed games. Newer research has shown that lazy eye can be treated even in older children and adults, contrary to what was believed earlier. We also have computerized vision therapies available which directly stimulate the visual cortex, as well as improve binocular vision, that is using both the eyes together, and improve 3D vision or stereopsis.